Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to about phone option. After that scroll down again, then go to software information. And here you can see build number option. Now to enable developer options, you have to just tap on build number for 7 times. Now just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to type your current PIN or password. And it's done. Now just go back. And at the bottom you can see developer options has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable your developer options, just open up your settings app again. Then scroll all the way down. Then go to developer options. Now just tap here to disable developer options. And that's it. Now just go back and you can see developer options has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.